All right, with that, let's shift our attention now to more breaking updates coming in. According to reports, a senior White House official has reportedly suggested expelling Canada from the Five Eyes intelligence sharing group as President Donald Trump takes a more aggressive stance on the country, frequently hinting at bringing it under the greatest U.S. control and even making it the 51st state. So Peter Navarro, one of Trump's closest advisors, is advocating for Canada's expulsion from the intelligence alliance, which also includes the US, the UK, Australia and New Zealand. So Financial Post has reported, citing people familiar with the efforts inside the administration. In fact, Navarro's push comes amid Trump's increasingly assertive stance on Canada, with the president, in fact, very frequently making remarks about bringing the country under greater U.S. control and making it the 51st state. In fact, time and again, President Trump has referred to the Canadian Prime Minister as the Governor of Canada. The news report, in fact, states that Navarro, who has direct access to the Oval Office, is urging Trump's team to use Canada's removal as a leverage to pressure the country. So this could be the latest, a big setback for Canada. On the anvil, it looks like Trump's close aide is proposing for the axing of Canada from Five Eyes. Senior consulting editor Srinjoy Chaudhary on the broadcast with us. Srinjoy, this could be quite a setback for Canada amid President Trump repeatedly referring to Justin Trudeau as the Governor of Canada. So there are reports that indicate that US could look at axing Canada from Five Eyes.
Yes, that's entirely possible, because Donald Trump believes that Canada is the 51st state of America. So if it is a state of America, it does not need to be part of the Five Eyes. Simple as that. Because America already is part of the Five Eyes. So it can be Four Eyes, and Canada will well be part of it as the 51st state. That is the logic, really, as Donald Trump is concerned. This has led to some repercussions in the sense that, well, fewer Canadians are going to America to travel. Fewer Canadians are buying American goods. So that problem is there. But very clearly, the President of the United States is making it very clear that he's not in favor of closer ties with Canada.
Okay, all right. Srinjoy, stay with us.